Hello everyone and welcome to the stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to learn advanced backend and system design. And this is day 53 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Alright. So before we start, I have to start with Docker. Okay. I hope I'm audible. Okay, I'm audible. Alright. Ansh, Unsure Taneem. Hello, Unsure Taneem. Welcome to the stream. What's up? You, I'm learning React too. That's nice, Unsure Taneem. That's very good, brother. It will help you to, create the front end of our application. Tapan. Hello, bro. Hello, Tapan Patel. What's up? Welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, so after this, I can start my Redis server. So if I go here, Docker, PS, Docker, start Redis server. Okay. All right. So we have built this, and if I go here, src, we have all of this. And okay, so let's get inside the backend folder first. All right. So what were we doing? Like, okay, we were learning about cache warming, right? We were learning about cache warming. We saw that what cache warming is, right? If I open this here, this one, I want to open this one here. Okay, we got this. Bro, I sent 10K yesterday. Bro, stop bluffing, man. Okay, got this cache warming. Cache warming here. So in cache warming, we have different types of cache warming, like startup warming and everything. So to understand this one, where is the chat? Where is the chat? If I go here, okay. Uh, Analysis, horizontal scaling, everything. Okay, if I got a read heavy optimization, yeah, this is the chat. Okay, so this is the main chat. Okay, so now we have this warming, cache warming thing. Today we are going to learn about cache warming, right? So that is the main objective of today, to learn about cache warming, right? Yep, we have to learn about cache warming. Okay, so we have this. Implement startup cache warming during application app start. Okay, scheduled worker. Okay, I think we should go with this phase two. Virat, hello Virat, welcome to stream. What's up? What's up, brother? How are you? Okay, move on. Okay, fine. How does Bitly look now? A simplified architecture might look like this. Analytics or cache warmer. Okay, fine. Should you warm your cache right now? For a, okay, not yet. Sim you are not really warming the cache. Treat this minor design milestone first. Understand that we understood this. Unsure Taneem. You don't watch video courses. Yes, I do watch video courses. Before I use AI to teach myself many things, first I understand the basics by watching YouTube tutorials, reading the documentation, building some basic projects. Then only to understand the production grade practices, then I use LLMs to teach myself. And also, like before I implement anything, I try to understand the basic and understand if LLM is hallucinating or not. Okay. I want to implement this one. You need to guide me and teach me, teach me in detail. This is a good production feature to add, and it fits well with the current architecture. However, I make one architecture change before writing any code. First, don't call a schedule worker. They are actually two different responsibilities. Consume analytics job from William Cache Warmer runs every 15 minutes independently. Okay. Okay. So basically, the cache warmer is going to run after every 15 minutes automatically. These are different patterns. Analytical worker. Yeah, I have understood that. Okay. We need a cron job kind of thing where after every 15 minutes we are going to check which is the hottest URL, right? Okay. Unsure Tanim, just asking why did you decide to study backend and not some hot topic like AIML? Actually, my goal is to build my own startup, and the idea that I have for my startup is it is highly dependent on full stack backend engineering because it's a very backend heavy startup that I want to build. That's why I want to learn full stack engineering, a bit of backend engineering as well. So yeah, and AIML, see, like there in AIM also there are two ways, right? Either you learn how to build LLMs kind of way, or if you want to learn about AI engineering. There are two different things. If you want to get into that side where you can build LLM on your own, then you have to get into AI, machine learning, deep learning, neural nets, and all those things, right? You can build any lead code type platform easily. Yep. Thanks, man. Thanks, Virat. Unsure. All right, cool. Welcome, Unsure. Okay. Okay. This is the first one. Currently, every click creates one group. Okay. Suppose one URL has 10 million clicks. To find the hottest URL every 15 minutes, you should. Yes. Instead of calendar format every time, maintain it continuously. Yeah, well, it's even this process. So increment the click count. Okay. Yes, now you're done. So just know the click count. No specific application. Where is required, add a counter to your short URL. Okay, so we have to add a counter, click count, this click count we have to add, right? Ansure Taneem. I'll continue studying React. See ya. Thanks. All the best, Ansure Taneem. Anjit Antai, still stuck. What are you stuck with, Anjit Antai? What's up? Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we have to add a click count so that we know how many times a link has been clicked, right? Because we need that metrics. Okay, why is the okay? Fine. Repository. Okay, fine. Limit number. Okay, order by click count. Fine. Cache warmer service. All right. Scheduler, warming, final architecture. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it. Okay. Add click count to the short URL model. Okay. So first, before we go with this, let's open my database as well. Voice issue. Okay, let me see. I'm audible, guys. Do let me know if I'm audible or not. Audible. Okay, I'm audible. All right. Hey, Windows have. Yeah, man. I'll check it out. Anjit Tantai. What's up? So before we go here, servers, not this one, not this one, this one. We go here and here we have schemas and here we have tables. Here we have user. We got user, right? And then we got the click analytics as well. And we also got the short URLs, right? So in the short URL here, I think click analytics. Where do we need to add this one? Hold on. So here if I go, Short URL model. Short URL model. Okay. Short URL model, right? All right. Short URL model. Guys, can anybody tell me if I'm audible or not? Just let me know in the chat if it's possible to let me know. Just let me know in the chat if I'm audible or not. Okay. So first thing we need to do is add the click count. So SR Prisma schema. So in the short URL here we have version shortcode. Okay, here we need to add click count. Okay, and this will be of type int, right? It will be of type int and at the rate. I don't think we need a default value for this. Okay, yeah, we don't need a default. Okay, we need a default value. Default will be 0. Okay, fine. We got this click count. We got click count in short URL. Fine. Okay. Then we need a repository. Should eventually expose something like get top URLs. Okay. Internally, Prisma find many. Order by click count, descending order, take limit. Okay, greater than something part. Okay, got it. Okay. Simple, fast, scalable, cache warmers. Okay, fine. So what I need is here. Okay. Kinder Joy, bro, I have a question. Why students are India show off their IIT IIM tags even they are fraction of decimal in front of world where else students of Samity have. Yeah, man, I don't know why they do that. Kinder Joy, welcome to the stream, Kinder Joy. I have no idea, man, why they do that. I like it's always better to be humble, no matter what you have achieved in life. So I don't know why they do that. Okay, so here in repository section, where is it? Module URL interface. We have this. Yeah. Here we need what? Top URL. We're going to pass the limit, which is of type number, right? And here, what are we passing? Find menu. Okay. What's your views? I've shared my views. Like, obviously, we have to be humble. I don't know why people do that. I have no idea, man. Short URL array. Okay, we got this. Get top URL. Swameen, on which tech stack we are working on, bro? Hello, Swameen. Welcome to the stream. We are using Pond Stack, Postgres, Express. We are not building the front end side of it, so we are not using React. We are using Node.js, Express.js, Prisma as ORM, Zord for validations, and PostgreSQL for database, and BullMQ for messaging queues, and Redis for caching and rate limiting. That's what we are using, and Pinot for monitoring. Okay, we got this, and URL dot repository. Async get top URLs. Get top URL. I hope the name is right. Get top URL. Yes. Here we need to pass the limit. Type number. And here we will get const top URLs equals await prisma dot short URL. But before we proceed with this, I have to migrate as well. I have to migrate. Why do we need to migrate? Because we have to make changes, right? Short URLs, we have to delete this. Delete it. Click analytics, delete it. And then after this, here we can migrate. So to migrate, npm run db generate. Okay. Why Postgres and why not MongoDB? Any specific reason? Yes, because here we are trying to learn Pern stack. If you have noticed, we are using Pern stack. So for that, we have to learn Postgres, and also one major one major thing why I went with Postgres and not MongoDB is because I need a thing called data atomicity. So data atomicity means either something will be done or it will not be done. Right? We have ACID properties in SQL, so DBMS. So I wanted to implement ACID properties, and I needed a database that supports ACID properties. That's why I went with PostgreSQL. We got this. npm run db migrate. Okay, npm run db migrate. Okay, fine. Okay, so if I go here and if I refresh here, we should see click count as well, right? Yeah, we got the click count, and after we got the click count here, okay, so now we can work on this. Uncomment it here, short url dot find many where, just a sec, what are we finding? Hold on. Order by, okay, order by, order by click count, it will be the descending order, and then here we have click. Okay, got this. After that, here we can simply return top URLs. Fine. Okay. Code to cry. Welcome to the stream, Code to cry. What's up? Hey, hello, bro. You are doing great work. Keep it up. Thank you, Code to cry. Thanks a lot, man. Means a lot, brother. स्नेह धोला डीएसए क्यों नहीं करते एक्चुअली डीएसए आई वाज डूइंग व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर जॉब राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर जॉब आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड माय ओन स्टार्टअप सो राइट नाउ आई डोंट फील द नीड टू डू डीएसए दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट Nahidul Islam. Welcome to stream, Nahidul Islam. What's up? Welcome back to the stream, brother. AI automation versus web development. Fast income 26. Go with web development. Nahidul Islam, if you want fast revenue, go with web development. Hi, bro. What's up? Hello, Giri Shankar. What's up, brother? Welcome back to the stream. How are you? NGZ, okay. AI. I answered that question. Go with web development, Nahidul Islam. Okay. Here we have the top URL, right? Step 3, cache warmer service. Now create a dedicated service, cache warm service. Get top URL, store in Redis, log result. Okay. Scheduler. Warming. Okay, fine. Update analytic worker, so each process click increments the click count. Okay. So worker should be updated. So what we need is in my worker, where is it? Worker, yeah. Here we have the analytics worker, right? We have the analytics worker. We have record click. स्नेह प्रोफाइल बता लीड कोड का मैं आई हैव नॉट यूज लीड कोड मच व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग डीएसए आई वाज सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम geeks for geeks and the PostgreSQL is meta now. Okay, I'm great, bro. How are you doing, brother? I'm good. Giri Shankar, thanks for asking. How was your day, bro? Okay, so here we are getting the recorded click, but we also need to update. Hold on. So what we need to do is so that click count. Okay, so what we need is cache warmer service. Okay, so let me check. Where should I create just like here we have done this. I have done step, and after this, after that we have this step. Okay, now we will start with this step. You need to teach me and guide me in detail. We follow only production grade approach and practice. Okay, fine. Went good. Hope your day went well. Yes, Girchinga, my day was fine as well. स्नेहदुल्ला, इसके पहले हो इसके पहले जो बनाया था उसका क्या हुआ? देयर वी नीड अ जीएसटी नंबर, लाइक द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दैट थिंग इज डन. We need a GST number because we are using a payout feature, so we have to get a GST number first. Only then I can deploy it. One thing I slightly changed from earlier design: should not know Redis implementation details. Okay. In production code, your service should orchestrate the workflow, not perform low level cache operations. Okay. First, think about responsibilities. Currently, you probably have something like this. Okay. This works, but this. Okay. Find short code, create update. Okay. Cache Redis only, get set short URL, delete warm short URL. Okay, we have to create this warm short URL. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. सो अप्लाई नहीं किया क्या? शायद 10 दिन में आ जाता है. अप्लाई तो मैंने नहीं किया है क्योंकि अभी मेरा पैन कार्ड का कुछ इशू चल रहा है. आई हैव टू अपडेट माई पैन कार्ड. Like there are lots of paperwork issues. I have to solve that. Production grade cache warm service. Uh, okay. Give me the full code. Folder structure URL cache. Yes, cache warmer service. Warm cache. Okay. We got this. Cache warm service. Cache warmer container. All right. Fine. Okay. An even better production implementation. Anshu, welcome stream Anshu. Bro, you cover these core topics like operating system, NLP, DVMS, or deep learning. Right now, I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design, and the goal is to use that knowledge to build my startup. So that's what I'm focused on right now. Okay, hold on. Okay, fine. Hello Vikas, what's up? What's your tech stack? My tech stack is Pawn Stack, Postgres, Express, React, Node. Service called cache warmer service, right? Cache service, cache warmer service. Okay, so here, before we go here, cache, here we need to create cache warmer dot service dot ts. Okay. Anshu, means in past you also learned this subject in depth. Yep. Yes, operating system DBMS is a very important subject. Okay, so here we can create class cache warmer, and here we have a constructor Okay, fine. Constructor, okay. Private read only URL repository, okay. Read only, okay. Warm promise login info cache warming started. Hot URLs, top URL, okay. If uh, limit is 100, okay. We are setting the limit 100, okay. Kinder Joy, what is your favorite country where you want to travel? Um, I want to travel different countries. I want to travel to Birmingham in UK. I would like to travel to uh, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, these countries. Then I want to travel Brazil. There are lots of countries in my list. Okay. Can you give me your key map? Yes, I'll show you Fika highlights. Just give me a few seconds. I'll show you. Because I did Mount, but not confident enough to say I'm thinking to deep dive in backend. Should I continue with Node.js or choose different tech stack? Don't go for different tech stack. Whatever you learned, stick to that and start building projects. Go deep into one tech stack. Don't try to learn 10 different things. That's my suggestion. And if you want to see my key binding, uh, hold on. Yeah. These are my key bindings. I hope you can see. Fika highlights. This is my key binding. I hope you can see. You can take a screenshot of this file. मयूर अपने LLD कहाँ से सीखा है? I have learned LLD from theoretical LLD. I have learned from Gaurav Singh YouTube channel, First Principles YouTube channel. Bro, why are you using American technology? Because it's good, and I want to build something better than that. That's why first I have to check how they are using it, how they are using, right? Done. Okay. Satyam, hey bro, what's up? Hello Satyam, welcome to the stream, brother. What's up? How are you? If I go here and yeah, read repository I URL repository. Okay, then here we have a function called async warm hot URLs, and here the limit is 100. Limit is 100. Limit is 100. Okay, and here we have promise of type void and logger dot info event, you can say cache warming started. Okay, and after that we are passing the limit. Okay, so once we after the logging has been done, we can do const hot URLs, const hot URLs. I'm fine, monsoon. So it's ritual that I should fall sick at least once in this season. Okay, got it. Satyam, take care, man. Hot URLs here. Await this dot URL repository dot find URL repository. Hold on. Find top hot URLs. Get top URL. Find top hot URLs. Okay. Naming issue. Okay, we can find top hot URLs, and in the interface also we can name this like this. Fine. Here we can go here. Find top hot URLs, and here I'm going to pass the limit. Right, and after this we have if hot URLs dot length equals 0, then here we have logger dot info. Can take wounds, but this cold man feel. Yeah, man. See, when we fall sick because of cold and sickness, it breaks the entire body. But we can take, even if the bone we fracture our bone, we can still survive. But this cold and all these things, it makes body weak a lot, like head pains and all. Cache warming completed, and after this we have warmed keys 0. Okay, then after that we have this, right? We have this, and then we can simply return. Okay, after return we have const time to live equals 60 into 60 into 24. Okay, which is 24 hours. Okay, Rehan, hello Rehan, what's up? Welcome to the stream. What, bro? What are you building? I'm trying to learn advanced backend and system design, and right now I'm trying to build a URL shortener. And now we are into the scalability side of it. We are trying to scale this URL shortener to support 1 million users, right? And for this one, right now we are implementing cache warming. It's a concept in caching where we use a thing called cache warming. Like it's like you can see the previous streams where we learned about what it is. Okay, Satyam. I regret not using Discord and Reddit seriously or just not using it. The connections I'm making now, so many other people online while I was college. Yeah, man, that's fine. Jab jago tab savera. Await promise dot all. We have hot URLs dot map URL. Then set cache, yes. Get, yeah, we have created this. Get short URL cache key, and you will get URL dot hold on dot short code dot map. Okay, set. Okay, we have JSON dot stringify URL FTTL. What is the issue? Hot URLs dot, okay, got it. Basically the issue is we have this one map. Here we have URL set cache, and here we have get short URL cache key. Here we have URL dot short code. Here we have JSON dot stringify URL, and here we have TTL. Okay, fine. Like the stream. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider liking the stream as well. We have a light target. Help me reach that target as well. Why into making SaaS and shipping them? Have you make money? Actually, during my daytime, I'm working on my SaaS. That's what I'm doing. मैं अपने कैम चैट के इनपुट के बॉर्डर तक ही रखियो सो दैट वी कैन सी द एंटायर चैट. क्या समझा नहीं मैं अपने कैम चैट के इनपुट को टॉप बॉर्डर तक ही रखियो. कहाँ पे? लाइक कैन यू एक्सप्लेन सत्यम? कौन सा? कैम रिसाइज कर. ओके, कैमरा. जस्ट अ सेक, होल्ड ऑन. Hold on, this one. I should make it smaller. Do let me know. It's because like I should make it smaller or bigger. This much is fine. Is it better? He says make the chat visible. Oh, not human. Welcome to stream. Not human. What's up? Postgres forever. I agree, NG Tantai. Why the chat not visible? Hold on. Live chat. Just a sec. Why is the just a sec, guys? I don't know why live chat is not visible today. We can remove this. Yes. And here I can just a sec, guys. Let's see why live chat is not visible today. I go here, copy this, and here I can go and add a browser live chat and put this here. Okay, what do we get? Hold on, but just a sec, guys. Now it looks ugly because there is a CSS. I had to copy that. Just I forgot to copy that. Very good. I don't know why. Like I have to do the settings and all. I'll do this before the next stream. You're not human. Hey bro, joining after a few days. Now I guess. Yep. What's up? Did you read my interview experience? I shared in Discord. Interview. Yes, I saw that. I think. Hold on. I don't remember. अरे भाई नहीं रहेगी चैट तो भी सही है. ठीक है सही है. Got this TTL. Okay, fine. Then after that, we got this. Here we can say logger.info event cache warming completed. Keys hot urls dot length. Okay, then here we have TTL seconds TTL. Okay, got this. Fine. Create a container, cache warmer container. Okay. So if I go here, cache warmer container. Okay, so here we can say cache warmer dot container dot ts. Fine. मैं बोल रहा था क्या नहीं दिख रही. अच्छा गॉट इट. ओके सत्यम सही है. ठीक है. रेड हेड वेलकम स्ट्रीम. रेड हेयर गिल्ड आर्ट्स व्हाट्सअप. आई जस्ट अप्लाइड अ 20 जॉब only one task. For more information, how long you get your first job, bro? It depends how you are applying and what are the skills you are showing your company, like how you are building a resume, what kind of projects you have built. Where I was asked to write code. Yes, I read that. Not human, I read that. Okay, fine. Cache warmer. Then here we have const url repository equals new url repository. Then export. Then here we have const url cache warmer service equals new cache. Hold on, here did we use export? No, we have to use export here. Okay, and here we have to use this warmer service, and here we have to pass this repository, right? And then here we can do export cache, this one, copy this and paste it here. Okay, Fine, cache warmer service has been done. All right. Asking, hello, asking, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Could you remind the best marketplace for buying and selling own AI websites? I'm interested in knowing. I have no idea. Asking, I don't know about that. Not human. Also, they asked me to write full email rejects in paper. Damn, bro, that's a tough interview, I must say, because rejects is something that confuses me a lot. Okay, so we have done this. Okay. An even better production implementation for a small number of keys around 100 promise or acceptable. For a larger warm-ups, hundreds or thousands of keys, production system typically use a Redis pipeline because it batches commands into a single network and round up. Okay, pipeline.set. Uh-huh. Advantage of pipeline: one network round trip instead of many, lower latency, reduce CPU. Since you are following a production error, I would recommend using replacing okay with okay. So we have to like it's better to use this pipeline thing instead of promise this. So what we can do is here, as you can see that in cache warmer service, we are using this promise.all. It's not the production grade thing, because what will happen for each and every request we have to, like do it all the time. So, but we can use a pipeline where all the pipelines are put together and then we are going to finally execute it. So it's like it's a one single trip instead of multiple round trips, right? Also asked me to write, okay, not human, and write a backend server without Express, everything just with 5K per month internship. Have a okay, bro, that's too much for 5K internship. Okay, 5K, like it's a little too much maybe. Where promised at all. Okay, const pipeline, redis.pipeline. Okay, we should create a pipeline. So here we can do const pipeline equals redis.pipeline. Redis dot pipeline. Okay, just a sec, before I go into this deeper, let me just check what is redis dot pipeline do. What does it do? Redis.pipeline, hold on, I should start the dark reader on. Okay, fine. Redis.pipeline is a performance optimization technique that batches multiple Redis commands together and sends them to the server in a single net. Okay, yeah, as I said, it takes multiple requests, batches it together and send it once in a network request. It got it. Okay. Today's topic is cache warming. We are trying to understand what is cache warming. We are trying to implement cache warming. Brisky, they do exploit interns. Where, bro? Chandrakesh. Hello, Chandrakesh. What's up? Welcome to the stream. भैया आप अपने से ही पूरा क्यों क्यों लिखते हो एआई से क्यों नहीं बिकॉज आई लाइक फुल कंट्रोल ओवर माई कोड आई टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम एआई टू अंडरस्टैंड द code if I don't know something then I obviously take help from AI but I don't want AI to write the entire code base because I want to learn and also I need full control over my code base because in morning when I work on my SaaS also there also I don't use AI coding agents to write the entire code base. I write it myself but I take help from AI to understand some concepts, understand some things. Then I try to understand and then I implement it myself. Feronix, will you watch today's match? Yes, Feronix, today I am going to watch the match. Portugal versus Spain. Let's see. What are you learning? Can you explain in depth and use? Actually, we are trying to learn a topic called cache warming. Cache warming is a way. Normally, what happens when whenever you restart a server, caching can take some time to start as well. So, cache warming is a way where you reduce that latency. Noob codes. Hello, noob codes. Welcome to stream. Hello, I'm not getting an internship, even unpaid applying. See, noob codes. For that, I have to understand your current skills, your background, your jobs, like your projects, everything, how you are building a resume and all. Maybe you can tell Norway beat 5-time champions. Yeah, man. Yesterday it was surprising. This is Norway's first ever FIFA, and they knocked out Brazil. And Erling Haaland is just he's just playing his at the top of the game right now. So let's see. I to be honest, I want final between Argentina and Portugal. That's my wish, but let's see. Because all the other teams are not going to just give up, right? Can I DM you on Discord? Yes, you can. Did you watch the backend from first principle? Yes, I have saw that. I did saw that. What is a SaaS? Currently I'm building a SaaS where users can, like businesses or solo founders can understand what is happening when a user comes to their landing page or their application, why they are leaving, how they are leaving, what kind of section they are watching, checking out properly, and also they will get the details of the users that are coming to their landing page. So that's what I'm trying to build. Okay, fine. Cons URL, hot URLs. Okay. For const URL of hot URLs, pipeline dot set. Copy this. Yep, copy this. We have to give this as well. Fine, right, we got this. And then await pipeline dot execute. Okay, fine, we got this. Maybe we can remove this, not required. Okay, so this is the better way to do it. Fine. Okay, SaaS complete है नहीं. I'm trying to work on it during my morning, like attention heat map, something like that. Not exactly, because I want to also integrate how, like, whenever a user is like a business is seeing the metrics, they need to understand how they can improve as well. So that is also I'm trying to integrate. Okay. Also watch the playlist. What did you watch after that to learn code implementation? See, code implementation, because before you start implementing the code of system design and backend, advanced backend things, make sure you know one tech stack properly, either Merge stack, Pern stack. If you are into Java, then Spring Boot. If Python, FastAPI or Django, make sure you know the basics of that. Because after that I used AI and also reading articles and all to understand how to integrate and use those things in a project. So this is what I'm doing in this entire series, right? Okay, fine, we got this. No. Okay. Cache service. Sujal Chauhan, welcome to stream. Sujal Chauhan, what's up? Vishal Gaming, thanks Vishal Gaming, thanks for subscribing to this channel and welcome to the stream. New to your channel, what are you working and building here? Hello Sujal, welcome to the stream. My name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to learn advanced backend and system design concepts, and I'm going into the practical side of it, and I have created a curriculum in which we have different phases, and I'm going for project based learning. For each and every phase I'm trying to build a project and I'm trying to implement the practical side of system design into my projects. So currently I'm working on a URL shortener, and now we are working on one cache warming concept. So yeah. Pheronix, WebSocket में क्या किए हो? WebSocket में I have created chat application, video calling application. So these things I have built, and also in my social media application, if you have seen on stream, there also I used WebSocket using Socket.io. भैया मैं ट्यूटोरियल देखता हूँ, जब प्रोजेक्ट बनाता हूँ तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता, फिर कॉपी पेस्ट कोड लगता है. देखो चंद्रकेश, द थिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग टू यू इज कॉल्ड ट्यूटोरियल हेल. इसमें क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू वॉच अ ट्यूटोरियल, कोड अलोंग विद द ट्यूटोरियल, एंड देन यू डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग complex projects. For example, you have seen a tutorial how to build an e-commerce application. Then after completing that tutorial, you must code along with that tutorial as well. So once you complete that tutorial, then whatever knowledge you have gained from the tutorial, use that knowledge to build something simple, maybe a to-do application or a blog application. Don't directly jump to complex applications. Okay, Anonymous, welcome to stream. Anonymous, what's up? I've done MLOps and now I'm trying to do system design. What level do you think I should do for a fresher AI engineer role? MLOps, system design. Then as a fresher, now start building projects, and for projects, maybe try to build something that has a like try to solve a small problem with a project, because don't create dummy projects, because dummy projects are available online, right? Try to build something new, try to build something that it is small only, it does not has to be unique, right? But make sure you can build it on your own. Secondly, it solves some kind of issue, right? That is what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, but yeah, now is I have no idea Moviepedia. Actually, I have not checked it out. You can check out the review. If I don't know about something, I don't think I should comment on it. I'm currently working in the WebSocket sharding system that I'm going for a live reading platform using WebSocket. That's nice, Pheronix. That's nice. Okay. Okay, fine. Cache warming service done. The flow. Okay. Login strategy. Okay, fine. This is my code. First, this is my cache warmer.ts dot service.ts. We have cache warmer container, cache warmer dot container.ts, then cache service. This is my cache.service.ts. Okay, cache service. Okay, so caching part done. Then we have this URL controller. This is my URL dot controller dot ts, my URL controller dot ts. Then this is my URL controller URL service. This is my URL dot service dot ts. Okay, it's my URL dot service dot ts. Then after that we have URL dot repository. This is my URL dot repository dot ts. Okay, then this is my analytics worker. Where is it? Analytics worker. Yes, this is my analytics worker dot ts. Fine. This is my Prisma. Now just keep it like this. Fine. Okay. फिर ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंट सिस्टम गेटवे वाला कोई प्रोजेक्ट SaaS बनाए. हाँ, like you can see my older stream where I was building a SaaS application, like appointment booking SaaS application. There I have used payment gateway. Okay. Measure query. Copy this. Paste it here. Okay. Then copy this from here to here. Okay, we don't need the await part. Fine. This entire thing. What is the issue here? Like seriously, what is the issue here? Customer find menu. Measure query. We'll see. Kirthan, hello Kirthan, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Today signed to service bond for 2 years, feeling like stuck. So many things in mind. Yeah, man, I can understand, but in these 2 years, try to learn new things, try to upskill yourself. Then once 2 years are over, switch and take 10 times more package, right? Vice President OG. Welcome to stream, Vice President. What's up? Welcome back. I recently made a redesign of a famous YouTube's website and pitched him the idea. Let's see if he likes it or not. All the best. Why? How long will it take to learn TS? I learned TS in 1 or 2 days only. It not if you know JavaScript properly, you can learn TypeScript in 1 or 2 days. Okay, type mismatch. Yeah, we have a type mismatch exactly here. I think. La 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 la. Measure query operation string query promise. Hopefully. Okay. All the best, Kirtan. The idiot because fine, 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 fine. Okay. Update. What do you think? Which domain should I switch to after 2 years? I'm backend now. Django, Azure. Also, tell me resources to learn from it. Which domain? I think you can go to DevOps after 2 years. Go with DevOps. Return type not mentioned on line number 44. That may be the issue. But no. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This can be an issue. Promise of type short URL. And here also we don't need this line. Return comment मारो उसको comment it. Here we have return measure query find top hot URLs isma dot short URL dot find many, order by, click count, DSA, take, limit. Yeah, so there was some issue. Okay, fine, we got this. Okay, so here we have that. Hello, Thermo Security, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We have this here, right? Okay, so this issue has been solved. What's this? No cache warmer service. Warm. Okay, this is not required here. What else? This is also done. Pipeline error handling. Okay, so pipeline error handling we need to do, because here we are like assuming that it has worked, right? But we have to work on that. So here we have to first store the results. Const results equals this. Okay, भाई फोर्थ ईयर मर्न सीखना अभी क्या करूं? JavaScript, MC Gaming first learn JavaScript, then directly start learning MERN stack. Don't get into HTML CSS, just watch one or two videos, because पहले आप MERN stack सीख के React के साथ साथ ही आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाना स्टार्ट कर दो, क्योंकि अभी आपके पास टाइम नहीं है. I am professional YT. Welcome to stream, professional YT. Hey, can you tell me what did you prompt charge to make you guide the phase? I'm trying to learn Spring Boot. Actually, I've shared the prompt in my Discord server. You can find the Discord server link in the description of the stream. You can find the prompt there. Got the results. So here we have to check the results. If there's no pirate is failed, errors of results through error. Results, we can say throw new app error, and here we'll say Redis pipeline execution failed. Okay, and what else? Failed 400. What is the status code of simple failure of simple process here? A simple process failure typically falls under, or okay, unprocessed entity, service unavailable. Okay, let's give 500 only for now, but it's bad request. Okay, let's keep it 500 for now. All right, thanks a lot, man. I have been watching your streaming for quite some time now, but never chat. I come see you code while I'm eating and sleep like a That's fine, professional IT. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for watching my streams, and like just don't get demotivated by it. Maybe you can start, being consistent with your learning journey as well. MC Gaming, भाई मैंने मेरे सेक लिया है, फोर्थ ईयर में हूँ, क्या करूँ जॉब के लिए? हाय फ्रॉम बैक टू योर स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम ध्रुव गौर. एंड MC Gaming, भाई मैंने मर्न अच्छा सीख लिया. इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न मर्न स्टैक, देन आई एम अज्यूमिंग यू ऑलरेडी नो जावास्क्रिप्ट एज वेल. So what you need to do is try to solve 3 to 4 DSA questions in JavaScript every single day, and then rest of the day, whatever you have learned in MERN stack, use that knowledge to build some projects and start deploying those projects and build a strong resume. Because DSA will help you to crack interviews, projects will help your resume to get shortlisted, right? So you have to do both. Welcome back, Dhruv. What's up? Okay, so we got this pipeline execution. Okay, okay, okay. This is fine. Hot URL cache TTL. Okay. Hot URL cache TTL. Okay, fine. Copy this. Hot URL cache TTL. Copy this. And just a sec, guys. I'll share the screen again. Hold on. I have to hide my screen now. If I go to .env, go here, and what should be the TTL? 16 go here, this, empty this. Okay. I hope I'm visible again. Okay. All right. I'm back. Okay. Dhruvor, bro, you know me. I come every day to watch you. Yes, Dhruvor, I remember you. What's up? We have this TTL, and before we go here, config src config env.config hot url cache z dot start number. Okay, we got this cache warmer here. uh, const ttl. Yeah, this one. Remove this const. Yeah, here we can get, this can be a number env dot hot your cache TTL. Okay, and now we can pass this. Okay, 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 fine. Cache service bug, where is it? Cache service bug. What is the bug? MC Gaming, thanks bro, guide करेंगे. Welcome MC Gaming, Dhruv Gaur. Bro, you are an inspiration for me. Hope one day I can become hardworking like you. Oh, thanks a lot, Dhruv Gaur. Thanks a lot, brother. Means a lot. Means a lot. Cache service. We have this cache service. So what is the bug here? You wrote set cache. Uh, okay, we are ignoring. That's fine. That's fine. This is not a bug actually. So here we are passing this, right? So actually we don't need to pass it. We can ignore it. We can simply ignore it. Like, okay, we can keep it for now. Keep it for now. Okay. You are ignoring. Okay, 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 okay. Cache format inconsistent. This is a much bigger issue. During redirect, you cache this. During update, okay, update. Oh, got it. Got it. Okay. Which stores the entire Prisma object. Now Redis contains 3 different object shape depending on how the key was written. Production system never do that. Okay. So what I need is, where is my url.controller? We have this, and here we are caching. Where is it? Hold on, hold on. Here we go. First URL, short URL, update, set cache. Yes, this one. Here we have like this is the key, and stringify. This one, this line of code I need to copy actually. Copy this, paste it here, and here we have to get updated short URL, not short URL. We have to get updated short URL. That's the only difference. That is the only difference here. Copy this, paste it, paste it. That's it. Fine. During warming, where am I warming it? warming cache warmer dot service URL object, entire URL object. Okay, we have the entire URL object here. Uh, here also I think we need the same thing. Here also I think we need that only, but an ID, right? Short URL ID. Okay, okay, okay. Set cache. Okay. Same serializer. Do JSON or stringify. Ah, okay, okay. Got it. Yeah, that is what I was going to do. So here I can do this. Here short URL ID, which will be URL dot ID. Okay. And after that we have original URL, and here we have URL dot original URL. Okay, and if I go here, just a sec, if I go here, we got this, hold on, we got this one original URL part, right? We got this one, just a sec. Hold on. My bad. We have this, and okay, but here if I go URL dot service, this we are passing short URL ID, original URL. Okay, fine. This is fine. Analytics queue. This is you're no longer pushing the entire URL object. Extend controller debugging. Remove. Oh yeah, that is fine. Controller debugging. Close this. Now this. Okay. Yeah, we can remove this from here. Remove this as well. We got this entire thing. We got this, right? But here in the worker section we have to update the count. We are still not updating the count, right? Karthi, hey man, when did you started doing live early? Yeah, today I started by 9:15 I think. Bro, can you tell me in which channel you have shared this prompt? I'll just show you. If you go in my Discord server, I'm professional IT in my Discord server. Here, just a sec. In the Discord server, in the resources channel, here in the pinned section, you will find all of this. This one prompt I use for learning my system. This prompt you can find it here, right? Like everything is here. You can find it there in the resources channel. Which IDE is this? Hello, Neural Vinod. The name of the IDE is Z-Editor, ZED. Ayush Taki. Bhaiya, kahan se ho? Hello, Ayush Taki. Welcome to the stream. I'm from West Bengal, India. Alright, thanks a lot. Welcome, Professional YT. Should be capitalized. Okay. Service. Duration MS. Okay. This tells you immediately if warming suddenly becomes slow. Fine. But in analytics worker we are supposed to increment the click count of the short URL, right? Ayush Teki, bhaiya, you are my inspiration. Thank you, Ayush Teki. Thanks a lot, man. Means a lot. Neurabindor, why are you using this IDE? Any advantage or VS Code? Yes, actually, Zerator is built using Rust, and that is why it is very lightweight, and also it is very fast. Whereas VS Code is built using Electron JS, so Electron JS is like application built using Electron JS are quite heavy and slow. That's why I'm not using VS Code anymore. आयुष भैया आप AI hallucination में कभी फंसे हो? अभी तक तो नहीं, बिकॉज क्या है ना कि मैं कुछ भी ए आई यूज़ करने के पहले ना बेसिक्स देख लेता हूँ उसका. बेसिक्स इन द सेंस कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न पॉइंट स्टैक, राइट, I did not directly jump to AI and start using point stack, start learning point stack from AI, right? Before I used AI, what I used to do is during my YouTube, like on YouTube, I used to find point stack projects. I used to watch those tutorials, code along with those tutorials. That's how I got the muscle memory of like how the code should, like how the code is working, how point stack works together, right? Then after that in production grade, when I wanted to learn about production grade practices, then I started using AI and LLM to teach me those things. But now I know the basics, right? So whenever AI hallucinates, I can catch it very easily. As you have seen in my previous streams, like whenever AI makes a mistake, I'm able to catch it before I implement it, right? Yes, this is exactly what a production. Right now, your another worker only does yes, but shorter tables has a denormalized field. Okay, the purpose of click count is to avoid doing this every time. Now, your with when it becomes expensive, instead of we maintain a running counter. A click count. Why keep both? You may wonder if I'm storing every click analytics. Hold on. Analytics. If I go here and see my click analytics, what do we have here? Clicked ad. We have a clicked ad, but we don't have. See, if we have clicked ad, then we can just count the number of. We can count that rows, and from there also we can get the click count, right? क्या सिंटैक्स याद रखना ज़रूरी है? सिंटैक्स आपको अगर आप कोई टेक्स्ट स्टैक, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू यूज़ वन पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट स्टैक and you are trying to build a lot of projects using that text stack, then syntax automatically you will remember because it becomes a muscle memory, right? But more than syntax, understand the flow, because if you understand the flow, then you can work with any text stack. Like in my previous job, I was working with Spring Boot, and before that I was working with Django, right? And now I'm working with Pawn Stack, and after working with these different tech stack, I can just say that syntax changes, maybe the way the structure of the code changes, but the flow remains the same. Okay. Instead analytics, increment click count done. Should these be a transaction? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, with Prisma rollback. Short URL dot update. They're atomic. Okay, better repository design. Instead of two repository calls, create one repository. Record click, await transaction. Dot create, update. Transaction. Okay, so we can create this we can make this a transaction actually. Fine. So what we need is here, if I close this, we have the analytics worker. We have this, right? We have the analytics worker. We have the analytics worker, short URL ID as well. Fine. And here we have the URL analytics interface. Okay, fine. Karthi, Abhi bro, now I want to do one-on-one call with you, but don't have much money. Whenever I got something, I'm asking you in the chat little by little. So can you guide me in your free time? I'm so confused right now. Okay, Karthi, I'll tell you like I can understand this, but the thing is, right, I can give you a discount, to be honest. I can give you a discount. You can email me. Abhishek. Hello Abhishek, welcome to stream. What's up? Which project domain are you working? Are you doing to learn advanced backend? Right now, I'm trying to learn about read heavy systems. I'm trying to build a read heavy systems, and in read heavy systems, I'm trying to build URL shortener. And Karthi, like if you can email me whenever I get free time. I'll try to get a call with you, Karthi, for free. You can email me. I just tried Zed. It's awesome. Every time I join a live stream, I learn something new. Oh, thanks, Neural Binod. Yeah, Zed is very fast. Mayank Sarkar. Hello, Mayank. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Why college mein ho? Mayank, I have completed my BTech. I had a job. I left my job 4 months ago to build my startup. I was working in a service-based company as a Spring Boot developer. Teja, how long have you been working on this project? In this URL shorter, we have been working for only 10 days, I think. Okay. Okay, fine. We got this. Karthi, you can email me. I'll see what I can do. Maybe like whenever I'm free, I try to have a call with you. Okay, MC Gaming, bro. Bro, मैं मर्न सीखने के बाद डॉकर रेडिस नहीं करूँगा चलेगा? See MC Gaming, Docker, see Redis, what before you make a decision that I don't want to do Redis or Docker, understand what it does. Redis is basically used in rate limiting and caching, right? So for that, it's an in-memory kind of thing. Redis is in a in-memory kind of database, right? So if you want to learn about rate limiting caching, then you have to learn Redis. And Docker has become a standard to share code, to deploy the code. Like you should learn about containerization as well. It will help you only. Am I right, bro? Uh, just a sec, Mayank. Okay, I'm in my 4th year. Can you like suggest me what to do? Focus on to get a job. Okay, Mayank. First, tell me what are the languages you know, programming languages. Can you tell me that, Mayank? And what are your current skills? See, not human. Yeah, you are right. You are right somewhere. Teja. Hello, Teja. Honestly, you make a significant progress in period. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks a lot, Teja. Kakkar, hi, bro. I'm Narbhik. I recently got into a company in Bangalore, but missing home already. It's work from home. But how can I get back to North like Chandigarh, Delhi? I'm Nirbhik. I recently get into a company in Bangalore, but missing home already as it's work from home. So if it's work from home, then why are you missing your missing home? How can I get back to North like Chandigarh, Delhi? If it's work from home, then go back to your home and work from there. Anshu, how is it going? It's going fine, brother. What's up? Speed here. What's up, Speed here? What's up? How are you? भाई मैं मर्न के बाद आज के अंदर घुसने के सोच रहा हूँ, एआई के अंदर घुसने के सोच रहा हूँ rather than DevOps. Is it okay? Yes, you can become an AI engineer with Merge Stack as well. Go to what utility you use for DB migration. For DB migration, I've created my own script. Actually, for ORM, we are using Prisma, and here I've created my own script. I'm running basically I'm doing npm run migrate or npm run generate, and behind the scenes it is running this command. Okay, work from office. Okay, work from office. Then try to go back when you get holidays and all. I think in service-based companies they give 12 paid leaves, right? So maybe use that. Deepak, hi Abhishek, hi. Yes, Deepak, what's up, brother? How are you? Welcome back to the stream after a long time. Currently, I'm doing DSA and CPP, and I know HTML, JavaScript, and some React. Okay, if you know DSA, if you're doing DSA with CPP, keep doing that. Build a habit of solving 3 to 4 questions every single day, as you're already in 4th year. I think you're in 4th year, right, Mayank? Then rest of the day with HTML, you already know HTML, JavaScript, React. Now get into backend, learn Express, Node, JSON Web Tokens, learn about REST controllers, learn about service layered architecture, learn about how to use different databases, how to learn about these things. Then start building projects, build a strong resume, and start applying to companies. Okay, work from office. Okay. Yeah, I can't tell that in the chat, but I'm feeling very much guilty asking for a guidance on the reason I asked the chat. Okay, whenever I get confused now. It's not working. What is not working, Karthi? See, Karthi, email me. I'll check. I'll see what I can do. Deepak, how can I learn agentic AI? Abhishek bhai needs a submission and documentation. Actually, I have created a curriculum for myself that I am following to learn agentic AI. This thing I'm using it myself. The way I'm teaching myself advanced backend system design concepts using the same technique. I'm just using a different prompt and I have created a curriculum for myself. And using this, I'm trying to learn. And I have shared this roadmap in the Discord server as well. You can find it there. Now, no, can I get placed in company like in 6 months? As I just joined in company 2 weeks ago, it will. Kakar, the thing is, it depends. If your company has a bond or they have a notice period kind of thing, then yes, you have to serve the notice period. And if they have a bond, then you have to pay the company to give you to release from your bond, right? So that is the thing, Kakar. What is the use of Prisma? The use of Prisma, basically without Prisma we can still use database, but we have to write the raw SQL queries. Prisma acts as an abstraction layer. We don't write the queries directly. Like if you see the code here, basically this line of code, basically it's behind the scene it is using that SQL create query as well. Deepak, Abhishek bhai, where in Discord server? I'll show you in the resources channel, the pinned section you can find it. In the Discord server, in my server here in resource channel, in the pinned section you'll find it. Yeah, roadmap that I'm using to learn how to build AI agents. This one. Okay. Kakar, bro, how can I convince the other companies to let me give the interview apart from the fact that I just joined my current company? See, Kakar, the thing is, if you have joined the company, that's completely fine. If you can showcase your skills properly, then obviously they will want you to in their company, right? So what you can do is you can still apply to companies. After clearing the round, there is an HR round, or maybe in the interview only they will ask you if you are currently working in a company, then what is the notice period and everything. They'll ask you, so you can still apply to the companies. How this DB migration script is going to execute in prod? How will you run it manually or just add it in the deployment pipeline? See, the thing is, what I'll do here is, what my plan is, whenever we try to build a production system, right now this entire thing is running in my local server, local environment, right? But in production, maybe I'll use a cloud database, maybe a Neon DB or Superbase, right? Then it goes like this. I'll show you the architecture. It goes like this. Where is it? Hold on. Where is it? Hold on. Yeah, this one. So as you can see here, this Postgres database is in a cloud environment. So normally what will happen is that we'll create this database and we'll create a connection with the server first, right? And then initially we have to run a migration script manually inside the server, and the changes will be reflected in the cloud database. And once these changes have been reflected, then we can connect the front end, right? Then it works normally as it is expected. So initially you have to make a migration script. Either if you are using CI/CD pipelines, then in the CI/CD pipeline script you have to write this line of code. Okay. Apart from DSA, what should I focus on? College placements, dev. See, apart from DSA, you should focus on there is a subject called DBMS, Database Management System. It is one of the most important subject for a computer science student. Focus on DBMS, then focus a bit on operating system as well, like how processes are, like how different processes are scheduled in a processor, right? Then difference between threads and process, right? All learn about these things. Then learn about deadlocks and all. So we have to create a transaction here. We need to create a transaction. All right. Data. Fine. Give me the full code. record click into okay. न जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया अभी तो यही था मगर खो गया हो गया है तुझको तो प्यार समझना. Do you know about Liquibase? If no, then I suggest you to give it a try. Okay, Code to Cry, check it out. I did not know about it. I still don't know about it. I'll check it out. Liquibase. Hold on. Let me see. Liquibase. Is it open source database in the library and framework to track? Okay, okay. JSON. Liquibase. Let's see. Govern every database change. Oh, Liquibase. Govern every database change. Like it's like tracking changes in the database kind of thing, right? Why Liquibase? Shape schema change fast with control you can prove. Database change governance is the discipline of making every schema change valid. Okay, okay, got it. Whenever the schema layer changes, everything downstream can feel it. Pipelines fail, dashboard drift, models break. Governance reduce that risk by enforcing rules early. Okay, got it. Got it, got it. It is like a migration tracker kind of thing. Understood. I not even things have money and trying to get guidance. What, Karthi? Can you explain? What do you mean, Karthi? What is happening? Tell me, Karthi. Okay, so record click, analytics interface, Yeah, here we can create record click. We have data, and here we have promise of type void. Okay, analytics dot types. Here we need to create this record click input. Record click input. Record click input. Okay. Yeah, we can remove this one. Fine, we have this types interface, and here we have record click input type. We got this record click, right? Analytics repository function. Then we have async record click. Yeah, record click. We have data record type, promise of type void. Okay, we got this. Yeah, this also here also we have to do return measure query. Here we have to name it record click. Name it record click. Put this here. And now we can start the main thing. So here it will be a Prisma dot transaction. So what's up? Hello Adonis, welcome to the stream. Deepak, how to learn with your roadmap as I am already mastering full stack with Docker. AI agents, before you get into AI agents, make sure you know a full stack first, because without full stack knowledge, it is a bit difficult to build any AI agent. Okay, with your roadmap already mastering full stack with Docker, CI/CD, AWS is perfect tech stack for applying. Yes, you can stick with MERN and PERN. MERN, PERN, and XJS and TypeScript is completely fine. That's completely fine. Okay. Nah, okay. I have money. Okay, free without even the guy. Okay, got it. That's fine, Karthi. You can email me. Email me, Karthi. I'll tell you. Like whenever I get free, I'll tell you. Uh, yeah, email me, Karthi. It's fine. Transaction. Prisma dot click analytics dot create. Fine. After this one, we have okay. Right now, keep it like this. Keep it like this. Prisma dot short URL dot update where ID is short URL ID, and here we have data click count increment by 1. Okay, fine. So here we can skip the return measure query part, I think. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine, right? Here we have this service, analytics.service, constructed calculate data this await. Deepak, have you used CI/CD in any of your project? Actually, I've used CI/CD in my job, not in my project till now. But I have to learn CI/CD as well. I will be learning that. Scorp, do you go to gym? Yes, Scorp, I go to gym. What's up, Scorp? Welcome to the stream. We have done this. Okay, now it should work. Let's see. So types. Where is the type? Type. Analytics to types. Let's if you don't have money for booking call, I do the same here with Abhishek Bhai. Ask him. Yeah, guys. Like, do see. I will never ever want you to force yourself go beyond your financial limits to book a call with me, because this call is only for people who need my dedicated guidance, like who want me to tell them each and everything from start to end, without like, after the call what happens is that people who come and join the call with me, they know exactly each and everything that they exactly need to do for the next few months, to get a job or whatever their goal is, right? So it is for them, but I will never ever want anyone to go beyond their financial limit, right? So it's fine, guys. You don't have to force yourself. For job complete. Then there's no change here only. Dead letter Q. Yup. So error connection fine. Correct. This is done. This is done. Okay. So now is the moment of truth. Now is the moment of truth, guys. So what will happen is, if I close the entire thing for understand the flow. So what is the flow right now? Controller, URL controller, URL here. Where are we using this cache warm and cache service? Where are we using it? Because we never used it somewhere. We have created this, but we need to use it. We have created the cache warmer dot service dot ts, but where do I need to use it? That is the main question. Dhairya Basi. Hey Abhishek, how are you, man? I'm good, Dhairya Basi. What's up? Welcome back to the stream. How are you? That's what I thought. I should waste for free calls, so I asked him to free chat, but this time I got so confused. Okay, Karthi, got it. Cash warmer. Bro, your voice is crashing sometimes. Just a sec. Am I audible? Hello. 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 Am I audible? Rudra, check it out. Voice is Vansh, just subscribe. Thanks, Vansh. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. It's still cracking, guys. Do let me know. Is my voice still cracking? Hello. Just a sec. Hello. I don't know, guys, what is happening. Hello. Brown bean. Bro, I made my own app, but I don't know how to market the app. Please guide me. To market an app, use Twitter, Reddit, create content related to that app, or you can contact UGC creators. That's what I would do. Okay, got it. Scorp. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Have you learned AWS before, or you are a beginner in cloud? Background noise is come. See, background noise I cannot do anything because in my mic there is no background noise cancellation till yet. Okay. Background noise तो रहेगा क्योंकि fan is on, windows are open, and this mic does not have any background noise cancellation, right? So वो तो रहेगा. connection not part of the request life cycle. Okay, fine. Step of create a queue. Queues cache for yeah. See now we have to create another queue. Cache for one queue. Fine. So what we can do is close this, close this, close this, close this, close this, and here we have vertical queues. Here we can create cache warmer queue qb.txt. Fine. Here we have export const cache warmer queue new queue qb cache warmer queue. We got this connection. We need the Redis connection. Yes, connection is, and this queue should be imported from boolean queue, right? So we have created a new queue here. So you are streaming with the laptop screen, right? No, like there is another light here. Bit chill. नहीं ब्रो वॉइस बहुत रुक रुक के आ रहा है आज क्या हो गया वॉइस को आज आई डोंट नो ब्रो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ माय माइक टुडे आई हैव नो आइडिया between and goes low. Actually, it goes low because I start speaking low. I start speaking to myself when I code. That is why it goes low. Oh no, my code. Welcome to stream. Oh no, my code. What's up, bro? I'm also like I get motivated. Oh, nice. Congrats, man. Oh no, my code. Keep going. Can you quickly show the whole architecture of a URL shot in Excalibur? Yes. Entire architecture. I don't think I've built it in the Excalibur yet. Yeah, something like this. Like it is just a basic one. Detailed one I still need to create. This is the basic architecture. Schedule a recurring job. We have a starter worker, right? A good place is your worker startup starter worker. Yes, I see, guys. Previously, what we were doing is, if you see the starter worker code, starter worker, it is empty. It is just showing that worker has started. But here, the how to find the hot URL part, this has to be done when the worker starts, right? So here the code will be in the starter worker only, right? There was see. Abhishek, I'm getting stuck at loops for a long time. Should like skip it a little. Wait, I start. Yes. See, in loops, I can assure you that in loops you will find questions like printing the star patterns and all. You don't have to go deep into that. Just understand whatever programming language you're using. Understand different types of loops like what is for loop, while loop, for each loop, whatever language you are using, what loops you are using in that language. That's it, and then get into arrays. Don't get stuck into printing stars and all. It is a waste of time in my opinion. Okay, yeah, the starter worker cache warmer queue. Yeah, we'll get this cache warmer queue dot upsert job scheduler cache warmer every 15 minutes name warm cache. Okay, create a worker. So here we have a starter worker. Okay, cache worker. So we have a cache worker. Okay. Logger info, cache warm. Okay, fine. Okay, let's start the worker. Start in starter. Okay, we have to import this. Completely makes sense, right? A few improvements in your current code. There are a couple of issues. Yeah, we have fixed that. Typo has been fixed. Hardcore. Yeah, it's limit we have to use from the .env file only. Yeah. Cache help consistently set cache inside service. Bye. That's actually fine here. For cache warming, use Redis pipeline is preferred because, yeah, okay. You lose the batching benefits. You're fine. Okay, interesting, interesting. So Dhairyavasi, I was literally stuck at that. Yeah, Dhairyavasi, I know. Like in normal tutorials and any videos you see, they will show you that with loops you have to pray. No, with loops they understand the concept and move to questions. They understand the loop questions. They stop and nobody asks that. It's fine. Karthi, Abhi bro, I think I shouldn't have asked you. If that's wrong, after me, many will ask for free. So yeah, soon after I get some money, I'll book a call if it's okay. Yeah, Karthi, that's completely fine. No issues. Big chill. What more you are making in this URL shortener, like rate limit? Yes, we have implemented rate limiting, caching. Right now, we're like we have used different strategies for caching. We have implemented sliding window algorithm. We have implemented leaky bucket algorithm for caching. Then we have used messaging queues for background jobs, and currently we are using cache warmer. And for cache warmer, it's like a combination between Redis pipeline and bullmq messaging queues, right? So it's a mixture now. So like we are basically right now what we're trying to do is we are trying to scale this URL shortener to support millions of users at a time, right? So right now just not a simple CRUD application. It's a like I'm trying to learn how to scale it. That's the whole point of doing this. Start. Okay. Then here we can say await cache warmer queue dot upsert job scheduler, and here we have cache warmer, right? And then here we have this thing called very how many minutes. Here I think we should keep this in the .env file. Just a second, I'll share the screen again. Hold on, I have to hide my screen. I hope my screen is hidden. Yes, my screen is hiding. And here in my .env we have, what is that called, cache warmer uh, um, time equals 15, keep it 15, copy this from here, go here. I'll show this screen again. I'll show the screen again, guys. Just give me a few minutes. From here, okay. Now we can go here, and here also. Now share the screen. I hope my screen is visible. Yes, my screen is visible. All right. We don't need this. Hold on. Go to config here. Go here. Paste it. Underscore. What the hell is wrong with me? Every z dot course dot number. Okay. We got this. Just a sec, guys. Just a sec. Hold on, guys. Again, I have to check one thing. Yeah, this will be underscore. Here also it will be underscore. Fine. We got this. Yeah, we got this here. Where is it? Yeah, screen is visible now. Okay. Karthi, I will tell what I'm facing right now at the end of the stream. You can give me a roadmap and I can follow at the end of. I don't want to waste much of your time. I think just 5 minutes enough. Okay, got it, Karthi. Okay, big chill. I'm also made a URL shortener with auth. Okay, nice, big chill. I'm thinking to deploy free on Vercel and render MongoDB Atlas for. Okay, all the best, big chill. Yeah, you can go for that. Deploy it. Atriya Agnihotri, welcome to stream, Atriya. If anyone has to build tech startup and stack, what stack knowledge would they should have at least? at least have one good knowledge, like first have a knowledge about backend, front end, full stack, and all those things. Secondly, pick one programming language, either go with JavaScript or Python or Java if you are comfortable. Then after that, pick one tech stack that revolves around that programming language. Either you can go with like a backend. What I'm trying to say is that learn a backend programming language that supports backend engineering. Like what I'm trying to say is learn a programming language where you can do backend development. Either you can learn JavaScript, Python, Go, Lang. There are lots of languages. Pick according to your need. Secondly, learn a language that supports front end. For that, you need JavaScript, right? Then learn a framework that helps you to build applications, right? And then start building projects. That's it. Okay. Free env dot URL. How can I forget the name, man? Env.sample cache warmer time every. Cache warmer time every. Now here we have to do this. Into 60 into 1000. Fine, okay. Every this, then okay. Then after this, we have name warm cache warm. Every warmer worker.ts. Okay. Cache warmer. Karthi Pro, one route is your right now. It is not MCP or any AI kind of project. Simple full stack project. Big chill. Thanks. To I know I understand more. You told me to do practice more and more. So thanks. And should I add more like basic rate limit? Yes. If you want to learn about advanced things, then yes, implement rate limiting, implement caching, implement messaging queues. The analytics service, you can make it as a background job so that your request does not get blocked. Right. You can use that thing. New worker, here, go here, cache warmer QUE async job. What the hell, man? Sometimes I feel how to sometimes I feel Windows is very over smart. It is not smart. See, if something is smart, it is very good, right? But sometimes I get so frustrated with Windows. I feel that it is very over smart and it boils my blood sometimes. You getting it? If job dot name is not equal to warm cache. Linux better, not human. Yes, man. I think thoda sa और this Windows 11 starts lagging, then I'll definitely fucking delete Windows uninstall it and install Ubuntu Linux. I'm done with Windows. Logger.info. Event cache warmer job started, job ID, job.id. Okay, we got this, we have this, then await cache warmer service from container. Yes, warm hot URLs limit, we are passing it like this, but actually it should, this has to be in a, this also needs to be in a env file. Just a sec guys, hold on. Warm hot URLs limit, for now it is 100. Copy this from here, go here, paste it here, first put this here, and now I can share the screen again. Yeah, we got this, and again in config, env.config, here we have this name z.host.number. Okay, we got this. Not human. Don't use Ubuntu. It reflect the path. Use Linux, Mint, or Fedora. It's better than Ubuntu in many ways. Okay, Fedora. I'll check it out. Fedora. I'll check it out. I've heard about it a lot. I've heard about Arch Linux as well. Arch Linux or Arch Linux, whatever you call it. Have you used Arch Linux? Has anybody in the chat used Arch Linux? Can somebody tell me how it is? Hundred. Type is 100. Okay. Can service. Hold on. Go here, okay, and here you can say warm. Okay. Not human. Yes, I have used Arc, but it's too much work for productive person. Okay, got it. Got it. It's called rolling release, where a new version of some package is uploaded directly, and it might. Oh, got it. Ferment are stable releases, and it's stable as the name. It doesn't break often. Okay, thanks, not human. I'll check it out. Maybe I'll use Fedora in future, because Fedora I've heard about it a lot. Lots of people are using it. got this here. uh, Job ID. Okay, this is done. Then after this, logger.info event cache warmer job completed, job ID of job dot ID. Fine, we got this here, and here we have this connection, Redis connection. Okay, fine, got this. Then the starter worker, we have to import this as well. Cache warm queue. Yeah, here we have to import dot slash worker slash cache warmer worker.js. Fine. I recently saw an article released by Y Combinator stating that the most successful startups in the coming years will replace physical buttons with AI interactive. Okay, got it. Nice. Also, it's called Arc and not Arch. Okay, Arch. You have to pronounce the H2. Okay, got it. Thanks, Naughty One. Thanks for letting me know. It's Arch Linux. Okay, got it. Karthi. I'm also planning to build something that way. Nice, Karthi. Nice. Okay. Okay, so we are getting this. Start your worker. This we have done. Use this. Okay, so after we have done this, go here as a new terminal, cd backend here. Okay, go here, npm run dev, npm run worker. Fine, worker is running as well. Fine. So now we have to check it if it is working or not. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider liking, dropping a like as well. We have a like target. Help me achieve that like target. Physics, is web dev worth it in 20? Yes, it is, because web dev gives you a lot of freedom to build your own thing, and AI engine is also built on top of it as well. Authentication first, we have to login. Logged in. We got the access token. Copy this. Here we have URL. Create short URL. Override it. Yes, override it. Yes, okay. We have this, and in body we got this. And if I go here right now, the user, yeah, here the short URLs, we don't have anything now, and in analytics also it is empty, right? Fine. So if I created this, click count 0. Very good, very good. Short URLs click count is 0, correct? And now if I copy this from here, copy this from here, and here I go and paste it here. Localhost 3000 slash not 3000, localhost 4000 slash API slash URL, change this, and I paste it here. We got here, and now if I go here, got this DB query, hash miss and everything here. What happened here? Worker started, analytic job started, and job completed. Mhm. Got click, and if I go here, got the analytics here, and did we get? See, right now the record click is 0. If I do this, it should become 1. Yes, it did become 1. Become 1. But the question is, cache worker, starter worker, worker started, goes here. After it is 15 minutes. It's saying 15 minutes. For now, which is better for to get a quick job as a fresher, a web dev or data analyst? Yeah, Guru answered it in the chat. I would suggest go with web dev, learn how to build REST controllers, learn about REST APIs and all. It will help you a lot. We have this. Okay. So now it is 15 minutes. That is why it is taking time, right? Okay, so what I can do is, let's make it 15 seconds. Remove this 0, keep it 15 seconds. Close this, and in Redis, flush it. Where's the flush command? Development notes. Where's the flush command here? This is the flush command. Copy this, and in here paste it. This has been flushed. Now it is 15 seconds. Remember that. It is 15 seconds. Hello, Sahil. What's up? What's up, Sahil? Everything is fine here. I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design concepts, and right now we are trying to learn about cache warming. So here I can start the server again. npm run dev, and here npm run worker. Fine. Right now we don't have anything. Now if I log in again, we must have this one. Copy this from here, create short URL, go here, paste it here, override. Interesting, didn't ask for override. Go with web dev as a fresher. Go with web dev because as a complete fresher, it is a bit difficult to get a job as data analyst because it is a little senior role. When you move to Z? I moved to Z I think a week ago, maybe a little over a week ago. We got this. We have the body here. Get this. And here we have the short code. Go here, paste it here, copy this from here, go here and paste it here again. We are going here, and here we got this record click 66:45 milliseconds. Analytics job started. Okay. Sujal, why are the resources you are following and how are you setting up the curriculum? I have used I found different resources from this article, like what exactly we need to learn. There's this called roadmap.sh. Here you can find lots of roadmaps, like verified roadmaps, and here you can find about backend. Here you can find the entire roadmap here. Just like then create a curriculum that will help you, create a project based curriculum for which for each and every phase you have to build a project so that you can understand the practical side of it. That's what I have done. Okay, but here the issue is, if I go here, hold on, where is it? Cache warmer queue, cache warmer service, 0 40 URLs limit. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's console dot log hot URLs. That is happening, and we have this one. Do this again. We go here. We have one. We should get three now. Over here we have three. Okay. We got this. But my issue is here we are getting this, and in my here log short cache miss, cache miss, cache hit. Okay, okay. So the issue is that this cache warmer is not working here. Cache warmer. The URL module seems bloated. URL module. Okay. Maybe we can refactor it a bit. But the issue is here the cache warmer is not even starting here. Right. Why? Why is the cache warmer not starting? Actually the worker is not running, is it? But the issue is here the worker is running. We are doing this where the worker is running. Worker started also we are getting. So here this job should run. Hold on. Name this. Hold on. Okay, maybe I got the issue now. Let's see. Cache warmer worker. Cache warmer. Cache warm cache. Warm cache. Is that the lap? No, it is not the laptop fan. It is the fan of the room. Check Redis queue. Yes, we have to check the Redis queue. Hold on. Okay. Starter worker.ts. Cache warmer.service.ts. cache warmer QUEUE dot TS. Then cache warmer worker. Did we send this? Starter worker cache. Okay. And here we have cache warmer worker dot ts. Copy this, paste it here. Okay, got this. Hello, gaming lover. What's up? What's the status with your SaaS? It is like development. I'm doing it in the daytime, like the new SaaS. यार आपको देख के मुझे मोटिवेट थैंक यू गेमिंग लवर ब्रो डू हैव क्लाइंट्स वेलकम मेहुल पाठक व्हाट्स अप हाउ आर यू मेकिंग यस आई हैव क्लाइंट्स वी हैव दिस कैश वर्कर कैश वार्मर वर्कर I got this okay analytics worker.ts small a got this I am getting this log in server. Let's give all the logs, copy this from here to here. These are my worker logs. Why am I not seeing the cache warm logs? Okay. How are you making money? I make money by working on freelancing projects, taking one-on-one calls. Typo in the job name. Such a big mistake, man. How can I make this typing mistake? I need spectacles or what? I should increase my font size. I mean, seriously, man, this spelling mistake when I make, it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart when I make spelling mistakes. Type in job name, starter worker, cache warmer, warm cache. Warm cache. So here we have to say warm cache. Okay. It's okay, man. Yeah, man. I know, but after writing so many things, and the error is because of a small spelling mistake. Okay, fine. This is done. Okay. Bug 2, you don't see any log proving the is working. Add. Okay. Await cache warmer dot. Okay, cache warm scheduler. Yeah, we should put this scheduler. Where is it? Upsert, where we are using the upsert starter worker. Here we are upserting, right? After that we have to add. After this upsert thing, we have to add here logger.info. Here we can say event warmer scheduler started. Okay. This is no school, it happens. Yeah, man, I agree. Fine, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. But 4, let's verify the scheduler actually exists. Run this cache warmer queue dot get schedulers. Okay. Mm-hmm. And a log at every beginning of the worker. Cache warmer queue, cache job received, cache warmer queue. There's no small improvement. Instead of cache name, this is done. So let's add this one, schedulers. Copy this. Third job scheduler. This here. Cache warmer queue. Okay. Let's add this here like this. Okay. After that, along the beginning of the worker. So in cache warmer worker, when we have the job name warm cache, for this we should add this logger dot info. This here, add this here, and here mention the event cache job received event. Let's give this cache job received, job name and job ID. Okay, job name will be job dot name and job ID will be job dot ID. Okay, we got this, we got this, we got this. This is okay, fine. Okay, cache warmer queue. Instead of this, we can use this cache warmer queue dot name. This will be better. Okay, okay, okay. Fine. I think now we can start again. Let's clear this. Let's clear this as well. Then again, let's start everything from fresh. This is my short URLs. First delete the analytics, then delete the URLs. Okay, and then after that, let's start flush the Redis. And here, first start my backend server, then start my worker. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Redis container cache warmer cache, yeah, iteration count, cache warmer schedule started. Correct. Cache job received. Okay, okay, okay. Interesting. Limit 100. Very good, very good. It is working correctly. It is working as expected, as expected. And now let's try to log in again. We log in. Then from here we get this. Copy this thing, and let's create the short URL header. Put this here. Override, override. We got this. Right now we don't have any short URLs, nor we have the any nor we have any analytics, right? Is the RGPT suggested wouldn't consider a bull MQ production ready? So why learn it? It's good for personal projects. The Rabbit MQ or Kafka more industry standard. Not exactly. I would not agree to this because I have used bull MQ a lot in my in many freelancing projects as well. It has not. It has never given me any issue. Yes, but maybe for something more scalable, yes, we can go with Kafka. I would agree with going with Kafka. But for medium-sized projects, BullMQ is fine, I think. So here we can create the short URL. Now it will be 1, right? If I go here, what do we get? So we get a lot of things. Let's see. Cache warmer job complete. Repeat cache warmer. Hold on. Hot URLs. Yeah, we are getting the hot URLs. Very good. Click count 1. Okay, okay, okay. So cache warmer service. We have this hot URL. We are getting this. Okay, okay, okay. If hot URL is not going inside this, it is not going inside this, right? TTL and all these things. We get this. Results. Okay, cache complete. Hot URLs dot length. So we should see something like hot URLs dot length. Let's see. Cache warming complete. Hot cache warming complete. Warmed keys 1. TTS. Okay, fine. Yeah, cache warming is working now. But what is happening after every 15, like this line of code? What is this doing? Let's wait and see what we get. Yeah, see, we are getting after every 15 seconds. It is working absolutely fine. See, you will see it is, I will not do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, see, it got refreshed. Like, oh, matlab, after 15 seconds, again the scheduler worked, right? So, actually, it should not be 15 seconds. In production, it should be 15 minutes, like this. Okay. Hello, IRL Vansh. Welcome to stream. What's up? Thanks for subscribing to this channel, man. How are you? आप कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो? No, I have completed my BTech. I had a job. मैं जॉब करता था as a service based in a service based company as a Spring Boot developer. I left my मैंने 4 महीने पहले अपनी जॉब छोड़ी है because my goal is to build my own startup. So yeah. Okay. Adding Kafka at a low scale might also make your system slow. It happens. Yeah, true. Okay. Event driven architecture. Yes, actually, event driven architecture also we need to learn about that. Okay, so cache warming is done. Cache warming, we have implemented cache warming. It's a big thing. Okay, मैंने कॉलेज अपना कंप्लीट, आई हैव कंप्लीट माई बीटेक आयरल वंश, मैंने अपना बीटेक कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Logistic startup locally. Okay, fine. Krish, I have built small project with Docker setup, but me and my friend are working on college full stack project. We need remote Postgres. We don't know what to do. AWS. Go start with Neon because Neon is simple, cheap. Also, it has a very good free tier as well. And it is for me first year student BCA. Yes, IRL Vansh, I think pick one programming language. You are in first year right now. Pick one programming language. Either start with JavaScript or Python. Build a habit of solving 1 or 2 DSA questions every single day. Every single day, pick one, build a habit of solving DSA questions. It will help you to crack interviews after your second year, right? Then after that, in your second or third year, after that, start don't give 6 to 8 hours to DSA every single day. Just build a habit of solving 1 or 2 DSA every single day, and then after that, remaining days, in the remaining time, start building projects, full stack projects. Okay, bro, did you do BTech CAC? I did BTech IT. Adonis, hey bro, I need your opinion. I am working on my first SaaS project. I am working on it for almost 10 days. I learned also, but it's kinda in half. I want to complete the backend. Okay, nice. और भाई व्हाट्सअप, हेलो नमक वाइटी, व्हाट्सअप ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू नमक, आई नो यू, हाउ आर यू, डू यू टेक नोट्स? वैसे आई डोंट मेक नोट्स फ्रॉम एंड टू एंड नोट्स, I make diagrammatical notes actually. I have already learned HTML and CSS because I'm free. Okay, now you can start learning React. I learned about how to create relations and about DB transaction. I don't know spending this much time to a project would be worth it or not. See, Adonis, the thing is, you are building a SaaS, right? I don't know about DB transaction. I don't know. spending this money. So you're trying to build a SaaS. So if you want to build a SaaS and you want to scale it, then yes, you have to spend time, brother. See, building one or two good level projects is better than building 10 different mediocre projects, right? Bro, help me choose one. Should I go with BTech CSE tier 2.5 or BCE tier 1? BCA tier 1. Go with BTech. Go with BTech. Yo, man, really good to see you again and inspired by your consistency. Might talk to you again on Super. All the best, man. Oh, thanks, Namak Whitey. Thanks a lot, man. Means a lot, brother. And yes, you are always open to book a call with me, Namak Whitey. I recently started learning 80s, 90s rock songs. Who do you like? 18, I have seen Not Human in 80s and 90s rock songs. I like Scorpions. I like Metallica. There's a band called Kiss. I like them. Scorpions are my favorite. Then I also like Megadeth. Then who else? But my favorite has to be Metallica and Scorpions. What's tier 2.5? Okay, I don't know, man. Bro, you mean like tier 3 BTech is better than tier 1 BCA? See, physics, the thing is, what happens in India, especially if you see the job market, they will mention that at least BTech students can only apply. Then, if you have done BCA, still you have the skills, but you will still not be able to sit for the interviews. Ayush Kumar, okay. Okay. Please answer that, okay. Yeah, actually, see, I also have to learn Kafka also because in event driven architecture, I think we have to use Kafka and Kafka helps a lot. So, yeah, we got it. Okay, so if I go here, I was meant for loving you, baby. You were meant for loving me, and I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me tonight? Okay. What are you making? I'm trying to build a URL shortener. Man, I like Kiss too. And okay, nice, Not Human. I like Kiss too. I like Kiss. I like Scorpions. I like Scorpions. There's this song called "No One Like You" by Scorpions. I love that song. I love that song. There's no one like you. Cache warming done. Guys, we have done cache warming. It's a big thing. Now we have to start with cache penetration. But the shortcode doesn't exist. Cache penetration, cache tampered. Okay. Cache stampede. One of the most production issues. Okay. .2. Where is it? 8.2. Okay. We have done this. We are following this roadmap. We have done Kathi, but most of your Insta reels are filled with MJ songs. Yeah, I like MJ as well. But MJ is not a band, he's a person, so yeah. Also, you got to know this song, Another One Bites the Dust by Queen. Yeah, Queen. See, I only like We Will Rock You and Bohemian Rhapsody. Apart from that, I've not heard Queen songs much. Okay, it's Jalaka from Durandar sample the beat. Okay. Oh, what was the name? अनदर वन बाइट्स द डस्ट. ओके, आई चेक इट आउट. बट मैं ना कंफ्यूज हूँ कि मैं कौन सी स्पेशलाइज करूँ, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डेटा एनालिस्ट या कोई और. कब सही टाइम आ जाएगा, ये कौन से ईयर में डिसाइड करना है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर यूज केस लाइक एंड योर इंटरेस्ट एज वेल. आपको किस में इंटरेस्ट है, क्योंकि ट्रेंड फॉलो करके आज ट्रेंड है कल नहीं रहेगा. चेक बुलेट फॉर माई वैलेंटाइन अभिषेक. व्हाट चेक साहिल. चेक बुलेट फॉर माई वैलेंटाइन अभिषेक भाई. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन साहिल, क्या बोल रहे हो साहिल, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन. Another one bites the dust. Speak, bro. Many songs in history sample the beat. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Rock band. Okay, check Bullet. Okay, okay. Bullet by Valentine. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Sile. What's your most favorite song? Right now, I have a habit. I'll show you one thing. I'll show you one thing. If I open my YouTube, you'll see one thing. You will see this song called "My Eyes" by Travis Scott. Right? I listen to this song every day. So right now, this song is my go-to song. My Eyes by Travis Scott. And I have lots of songs. I like lots of songs. There's no such thing as one favorite song. It depends on my mood actually. We got this. We have done. What are the things that we have done? Now we will start this one. Milestone 4, cache penetration. This one. You need to teach me and guide me in detail. We will follow production grade approach and practice. Okay, okay, got it, not you one. आयुष तकी भाई, मैंने सुना है चैट जीपीटी डेवलपर को 10 LPA मिल रहा है. आई हैव मिल रहा है क्या, पता नहीं. Online MCA from IIT Patna. Is it really worth it, at least for the good start? See Ayush, I'll tell you one thing. ऑनलाइन डिग्री का ना उतना एक्चुअली में वैल्यू नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. Doesn't okay. Well, welcome Oji. Welcome Vatsal. What's up, Vatsal? Welcome back to the stream. How are you? Cache penetration. So what we can do is now we can make this orange. Cache penetration. Cache penetration. I'm doing BCA from Tier 3 कॉलेज. की कोई टिप कि जॉब मिल जाएगी ऑन कैंपस. Yes, IRL once if you want a job, especially for BCA MCA students, on campus is very difficult. If you want to go for off campus, I will suggest you one thing. जैसे मैंने कहा, build a habit of solving DSA questions and start building good level full stack projects, good level projects. And the best way to find a good level project is to build a small application, like a small version of the application that you're already using. Try to build that, and also build in public on Twitter. It is very important. Build in public in Twitter. It is very important because that will help you get recognition online. It will create your online presence. It will also create your credibility. If you post about what you are trying to build every single day, it will give you credibility as well. So do that. And now also start approaching startups as well, because if it's a well-funded startups, they can pay you really good amount. Git status, git add, git status, git commit dash m, redis cache warming implemented, cache warming implemented. Yes, git push to origin from main. Git push from origin to main actually, because you are from origin you are pushing it inside the main branch. So like that's how I remember the syntax. Close this, close this, close this, close this. Yeah, this is done. We can close this as well. Close this and close this. Okay, can close this as well. Right. Yeah, this chat I think I should save it again because it has increased. Size has increased a lot. Okay. वत्सल ऑफ कैंपस जल्दी मिल जाती है बीसीए में, बीसीए एमसीए में ऑफ कैंपस? हाँ, वो खोजना पड़ता है आपको अच्छे से. For cache penetration, let's keep the chat here. Chat link. Put the chat link here. Chat link. Fine. Yeah, this is the main thing. Chat link. Fine. So we got this, and let's see Twitter. Let's see what's happening in Twitter. And guys, from 12:30 match will start, so I'll watch the match also. I believe in you. Yeah, man. Let's see. मैं एमसीए ड्रॉप आउट हूँ. अच्छा, ओके. अभिषेक said what I said too. Do you say he is negative too? Who is negative? भैया ये तो वन में क्या होता है, चार्जेस क्या होते हैं? यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन इफ यू वांट टू बुक अ वन ऑन वन कॉल विथ मी. वो कॉल में क्या होगा कि इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज अबाउट आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है टू प्रिपेयर फॉर जॉब एंड ऑल, यू कैन बुक अ वन ऑन वन कॉल विथ मी. And actually, I have cleared off-campus placement as well. I used to work in a service-based company as a Spring Boot developer. I worked there around a year. Then I left my job 4 months ago to build my startup. So I have experience how to get into off-campus placements and all, right. So if you want to get exact implementation plan, and like first I'll try to understand what are your current skills, your strengths or weaknesses. Then what is your goal? For example, if your goal is to prepare for placements and all, then I'll tell you from end to end, from start to end, what you need to do exactly for the next few months, and using that you can prepare yourself to prepare for jobs, and it will increase your chances of getting placements. So only if you're interested, then only book a one-on-one call with me. It's a paid call because I only want people who are actually very serious about it. So the link in the description of the stream. You can book a one-on-one call with me from that link. Okay, working हूँ, that's why online MC. Okay. सर BCA प्लस MCA और BTech CSE. गो विथ BTech CSE. MCA ऑनलाइन कर, रिमेंबर MCA. ओके. आवाज में इमेजिन वाइप कोडिंग मी आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर ऑफ वाइप कोडिंग. फर्स्ट कार, नाइस. Making an extra 10,000 is easier than trying to save 10k. True. I don't think Elon Musk ever said this. I don't know, man. Okay. Know what to do. Yeah, this is nice. Are you thinking of building 21 software factory? Okay. Pressure. Focus. Nice. बाय एक्सेंचर में प्लेस्ड हुआ ट्रेनिंग एंड डोमेन के लिए प्रेफ मैंने. सूरज, हेलो सूरज, थैंक्स फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू चैनल एंड वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. कि एक्सेंचर में प्लेस्ड हुआ था ट्रेनिंग डोमेन के लिए, मैंने दिया था जावा एफएस, बट उन्होंने एसएपी सेल्स दे दिया था. इसमें एग्ज़ाम निकालना है और ऑनबोर्डिंग होना है, सब नहीं आ रहा है. यू शुडंट से दैट टू एनीवन रैंडमली. व्हाट, नॉट ह्यूमन. कि ओके ये सैप वहाँ काम नहीं करना है भाई, आगे जाकर अभी बहुत वक्त. देखो, इथेनॉल 25 सर्विस बेस्ड में यही होता है. ट्रेनिंग कुछ और में कराएंगे, जॉब किसी और में दे देंगे. ये जब हमारे यहाँ पे भी, जब माई सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग ट्रेन्ड अ लॉट, trained in Java Spring Boot. Hopefully I got Spring Boot only, but many of my peers, they got into testing. Somebody got into Salesforce, somebody got into SAP and all, right? So service based company, they are just doing time pass. I don't know what they are doing. Okay. आयरल वंश भाई, ये वन ऑन वन कॉल कब तक है? क्योंकि अब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है। अगर दो से हाँ, आप आराम से बुक करो, कोई आपको ऐसा कोई पीयर प्रेशर नहीं है, कुछ फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है आपको। आपको जब मन करे, जब आप फ्री हो, जब आपको लगे कि आपको मेरी जरूरत है, मेरी हेल्प की, तभी बुक करो। ऐसा कोई, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मेरे साथ कॉल बुक नहीं करें तो आपका लाइफ खत्म हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैं आपको कुछ मैं आप पे कोई जादू नहीं करूंगा कि आप एकदम ही कुछ अलग ही बन जाओगे। आपको मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी, आपको जब जरूरत हो, फील हो, तब आप बुक करना, कोई ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं है। Okay, Kaya asked what ID your favorite song. I said, yes, it doesn't work like that. He said, if negatively has a name, it's me. It's okay. Yeah, man, I see. Nobody, I don't think anybody has one favorite song. It depends on the mood. Not getting invited. Getting invited, not going. This is funny. Boss leader introvert. This is me. This is me. Introvert with AI is me. This is definitely me. हेलो अभिषेक भाई, कैसे हो? बहुत महीने बाद। हेलो, हेलो एफटेक प्लेस, व्हाट्सअप ब्रदर, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? काफी दिनों बाद, व्हाट्सअप? पीपल बिल्डिंग विद एआई, पीपल टॉकिंग या मैन, ट्रू, ट्रू ट्रू, दिस इज ट्रू। He created Linux without using Cloud. Yeah, man, that is why this guy Linus Torvalds is the goat. Karthi. Yeah, it's because I asked him something to shows he said doesn't have face on. It's like GPT when I ask, it tells me. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, got it, Karthi. Ayush, what's your highest watching on YouTube? What's the highest watching? I don't remember, bro. अरे भाई, इंग्लिश कैसे सीखे आपकी तरह एंड एक्सट्रोवर्ट? सी, इफ यू वांट टू improve your English speaking skills, first start reading in English. See, there are three ways when how we communicate: reading, speaking, and thinking and articulating your thoughts, right? So for reading, to improve your reading skills, start reading English articles. Take your time to read properly. Read it slowly but read it perfectly, right? Then to improve your speaking skills, start speaking in English properly. Speak slowly, don't rush through it, and also start thinking in English. भाई मेरा रिसर्च खत्म हो गया, ये लेट्स गो, नाइस सेप्टेक, कांग्रेट्स मैन, कांग्रेट्स। एथेनॉइड ब्रो, कुछ टिप्स दे दो, फर्स्ट जॉब है एज अ फ्रेशर, एक्सप्लॉइट तो करेंगे बट कुछ टिप्स। सी एथेनॉइड, आई टेल यू, मैं सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी को ऊपर से नीचे तक जान चुका हूं, तो मैं तो बोलूंगा क्रिएट योर बाउंड्रीज फर्स्ट। ठीक है, हमेशा अपनी बाउंड्रीज को आगे रखो। एंड ऐसा काफी होगा कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आपका टाइमिंग है 9 to 5, तो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी, वो भी इंडिया में 9 to 5 बोल के, इट विल गो अराउंड 9 to 8, 9 to 10, 9 to 11, वॉट एवर इट इज। सो जो भी टाइम में आप लॉग ऑफ करते हो, डोंट एक्सेप्ट एनी मोर टास्क 5 minutes बिफोर योर, और 15 minutes बिफोर योर लॉग ऑफ टाइम, राइट? Don't ever guys, this is a golden rule if you want to survive in service based company. Don't ever take any task from anyone 15 minutes before your log off time. तो उससे होगा क्या, जब तक वो टास्क खत्म नहीं होगा, you have to sit। ठीक है, वो आपका टास्क नहीं है, वो किसी और का लिंक करना आपको पड़ेगा। ठीक है, तो डोंट डू दैट। सेकेंडली, अपना बाउंड्रीज को स्ट्रेट रखो। जैसे बाउंड्रीज के स्ट्रेट का मतलब क्या है कि अगर आपका लॉग ऑफ टाइम है 7 PM, काफी स्वीटली आपको लोग बोलेंगे वर्क हार्ड, वी आर अ टीम, वी हैव टू कीप द डेडलाइन, वी आर अ टीम, वी हैव टू वर्क एज अ टीम। सर्विस बेस में सब सब बोलेंगे वी आर अ फैमिली एंड ऑल। कोई फैमिली नहीं है, ठीक है? सो आपकी फैमिली घर पे है, ठीक है? तो डोंट प्रायोरिटाइज, इतना भी वर्क को प्रायोरिटाइज मत करो कि अपने फैमिली को टाइम ना दे पाओ। तो अपने बाउंड्रीज को क्लियर रखो कि 7 बजे लॉग ऑफ है, मैं तो 7 बजे ही लॉग ऑफ करूंगा। अगर इंपॉर्टेंट काम है, मैं कल आके करूंगा। ठीक है, कीप योर बाउंड्रीज वेरी क्लियर। तो ये सब जरूरी है। सर्विस बेस में सब बोलेंगे मोटिव, वी आर अ वेरी गुड टीम, वी आर अ टीम, लाइक वी आर अ टीम मैम, सब करेंगे नौटंकी। ठीक है, वो नौटंकी में मत मत फिसलना। ठीक है, तो दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। पता नहीं, whenever someone talks about service based company, मेरे अंदर का जानवर बाहर आ जाता है। Okay. भाई मैंने आई जस्ट रिमेंबर द कन्वर्सेशन विद वत्सल फ्रॉम डिस्कॉर्ड ओके। भाई सब कुछ इंग्लिश में देखता हूँ वो भी थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव हुई है इंग्लिश बट प्रॉपर फ्लुएंसी वाली नहीं है। वो तभी होगा जब आप इंग्लिश में सोचना स्टार्ट करोगे, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश। Rajiv, yep. What's that goofy reaction? Yeah, man. See, I hate. I have worked in a service-based company for a year, right? So I know it how pretentious they can be, how good acting they can do. Your manager, your team lead will suddenly become your best friend when they want to make you work, and once you got the work, then they will treat you like shit. So I know service-based company from head to toe. I know all of their false team spirit, like we are a team, we have to work like a team. Come on, the deadline for this, to meet this deadline we have to work on weekend. Come on guys, we are a team. Don't fall for that. Bruce Wayne, hey, good to see you again. How do you learn less? How do you learn less? Yes, less. It's just to easy get lost. If you're curious, I started LED concepts and found myself to compiler design GCC. Okay, welcome back, Bruce Wayne. Welcome. See, the thing is, to learn less, you have to see. It is very easy to get distracted with different topics, right? So you have to stick to one topic, whatever you decided, stick to it. Try to not get, like there's a rabbit hole, right? If you start learning one thing, you will like learning is a never-ending thing. So you must know where you need to stop. Not human. Did you see the convo, bro, in Discord general chat? No, I did not see. Like right now. Bro, I just applied for a service-based company on camp. Okay, all the best, Brisky. All the best. I'm done with corporate. I want to build my own company. I want to build my own startup. That's what I'm trying to do. After bro, shall we build a company together with the best work culture and royalties? Okay, let's see. Tech. Right now, I'm working on my SaaS. वत्सल, ऐसा हो सका है क्या फर्स्ट जॉब में आपको थोड़ा लेस आता है, ये आप थोड़ा स्लो हो तो आपको उतना भाव नहीं देंगे? ऐसा नहीं है, देखो वत्सल, एक स्पेशली सर्विस बेस में ना किसी को कुछ नहीं आता है. एवरीबडी जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग टू वर्क, एवरीबडी जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग, सब गूगल सर्च मार के निकल रहे हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई वहां पे बाप लेवल का कोडर बैठा हुआ है, ऐसा कोई सर्विस बेस में हार्डली ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कि टीम लीड एंड टीम मैनेजर भी वैसे ही होते हैं. तो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैं बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो उस चक्कर में क्या है ना कि यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रिटेंड, आपको बस बिजी रहना. ओ नो, मैं काफी टाइम से इशू पे काम कर, आपको जैसे कुछ भी टीम कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा ना, ट्राई टू एक्ट लाइक दिस कि यार आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन दिस इशू, इट्स सच अ बिग इशू, दिस इशू दैट इशू, जस्ट. और किसी और जो आपके टीम में नहीं है, दूसरे सेक्टर में, उसका नाम लेके बोलो कि मैं उसके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहा था इस इशू को सॉल्व करने के लिए, ये सब बोल दो. बिकॉज आई सीन पीपल डू दैट. ओके, एथेनॉइड, थैंक यू ब्रो, दोज वर सम वाइज वर्ड्स. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू स्विच फ्रॉम दिस. अब जो कर लूंगा भगवान का दिया है. हाँ देखो, ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि आपको जो मिल रहा है उसको आप छोड़ दो. ऑब्वियसली गो फॉर इट. भाई आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग ट्राई नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. ओके भाई, मेरा एडटेक कंपनी का एडमिशन आर लाइक गोइंग फायर. नाइस, ऑलमोस्ट 3 people आर नाइस. एफटेक नाइस. Vatsal was replying to me in Hindi. I couldn't understand and asked me to him in English. He said, learn Hindi. Bro, language, see, in my community, I don't want any language issue. See, everybody should know that language is subjective. It depends on where you live. And uske hisab se, depending on that, you learn any language, right? So just because someone does not know Hindi or someone does not know any Marathi or Bengali, South Indian, Kannada, any language, if they don't know, that does not mean you will force them. Try to find a common ground, try to find a language where both of you can communicate. That's why English has become so popular, right? Because it's a language that most of the people can understand. So don't fight on language, especially in my community. I don't want that. Avi bro, now can you answer my question? Yes, sure Karthi. वत्सल, मतलब स्टार्टअप वालों को सीरियस कोडर नहीं समझते हैं. ब्रो, स्टार्टअप वाले ही सीरियस कोडर होते हैं. एक दिन में गूगल में जॉब कैसे लगे वो तो आपको एक रेफर खोजो. और ओके, हेलो भैया, हेलो मनीषा, व्हाट्सअप. Bruce Wayne, in a service-based company, is it like you often sit on the bench? With my current lead code skills, I'm not getting into. Actually, I was not. I was never on a bench. And yes, in service-based company, they put people on bench, but fortunately, I was never on a bench. Uh, See, service-based company will overhire, then they will make someone sit and all. It's shit, bro. It's shit. Okay, no project. Bench in by label hours. Okay, got it. All right, everyone. लगता है यस यहाँ सब पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हैं. अच्छा, कॉर्पोरेट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दे दो. मैंने अभी कुछ देर पहले ही दिया था, आप रिवाइंड करके देखो. मैंने काफी तगड़ा कॉर्पोरेट का टिप्स दिया है. वो आपको जन्म भर याद रहेगा. वो काफी अच्छा टिप्स है. अच्छा. और गाइस साढ़े हाउ कैन एक्सप्लेन मैन वाइल लर्निंग ब्रेन हैज टू साइड्स हैं. व्हाट कार्ति? Bro, deciding to buy a Mac Mini. Okay, okay. Good. Go for it, Kshitij. Mac Mini is very good. Just bro, front end skip करके just back end start कर दे direct third year. हाँ कर सकते हो. You can skip front end and start learning back end. Then आपको later on you have to learn front end. You cannot skip it entirely. If you need any video to be edited, Ethanoid. In near future, if you need any video to be edited, SAS, I'll be happy to do it for you. I have contributed to an Amazon Prime trailer and oh, thanks Ethanoid. Thanks a lot, man. I'll contact you. Okay, आपके सिस्टम स्पेक्स क्या है? My system specs is 16 GB RAM, Intel Core i5, 500 GB SSD, Intel Iris Xe graphics card. Okay, you shouldn't ask that if okay. Coder like you in bench is like Virat Kohli not playing in. Okay, thanks man. Thanks Kirtan. What is the daily screen time on your phone? My screen time on phone is less than 1 hour I think. अभी I'll watch match in my phone. उसके वजह से it will increase, but my daily screen time is very less. Okay, I told. Okay. Alright, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. I have two different thoughts, man. One says learning it takes time, and another says, see, learning does take time, but don't just learn whatever you're learning. Try to implement it to build something that will make you learn faster. Prerequisite to start backend directly. JavaScript. If you want to start backend with PwnStack or MERNStack, Java, just learning JavaScript and Express and Node, and that's enough. Daily कब स्ट्रीम करते? 9 PM, कभी कभी 9 PM हो जाता है, कभी कभी 10 PM, कभी कभी 10:30 PM. Do you have Z5 subscription? Yes, I have Z5 subscription. What's yes, okay. Where do you watch FIFA? Z5. Alright, everyone. I'll wrap up now because from 12:30 match will start. I have to go now. आपका कोई इनकम सोर्स भी है? हाँ है. Like I do freelancing, I take one-on-one calls, and also trying to build my own startup. भाई, corporate is filled with noobs. I agree. Alright, everyone. I'll wrap up now. Bye, and thanks for joining the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. There's a like target. Make sure you help me achieve that like target. I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good night. Bye. Portugal for the win. Guys. I hope Portugal wins. Let's see. I'll watch the match now.